Hey, also, what
Alright, why
drinks
the
do
fuck
we
it take
have?
you so damn long? Nigga, you can come downstairs. You act like I do this on purpose. Like, get the fuck out of my ass. Questo 25 Sublime!
Stop that right now.
I can hear my mic peaking and it's hilarious. Oh, okay, so nobody. Okay, alright. Alright, no, it's cool.
Hey, on.
Austin, come here real quick. Turn around, dude.
Nah.
Come here, Austin.
Well done. Biohazard container located.
Come here, Austin. Come here, Austin. Austin, come here for a second. Come here, Austin.
No!
Yeah!
Yaga!
Who just flashed me, bruh?
I shit my pants. You good for nothing, bastard!
Biohazard container.
Wow, I plugged my chart. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I picked up my controller and it shot. No, I'm sorry. Oh my god.
That was a Nissan nigga.
What the fuck? Alright, yeah, he's not.
Let me come to you, Mark.
Okay.
Who was that? Was that Moosh?
What?
Wow, the Xbox is leading me to join another party.
That wouldn't be that much of a loss. He didn't really help us anyways.
It's just, you know, if we win this one, we win this one, you know what I mean? Wicked!
Nice.
What the f-
Hunter, what are you doing? I can't hear Hunter now.
Why not?
I'm really quiet, Hunter.
Really?
Honestly, it's not that loud. Is this better? Did Hunter say something?
Locate the biohazard container.
I'm playing Limbo Quick League.
Jesus Christ.
Hostile activity.
Never mind,
What?
Oh, what are you doing, dude?
10 seconds left.
Oh,
It's just
and
leaving
Grant's
squad, dude.
Look at him run in place.
Five seconds to go. Proceed to biohazard container location.
Can't breathe when I do that. So done with this, bro. Like, literally, we were destroying the entire time, and then who joins? Cap. Daddy? Really? Turf the feet. Turf the feet. You got turf the feet. Jesus Christ. That was Corolla
Alright.
trying to start up.
I sound like more like an 87 to me. You do that for me?
No.
Alright, wait, mark it again. Oh wait, it's already blown up.
Where did he come
Reach
from?
out right here.
What?
I don't know who to go, guys.
Easy.
Sorry.
No, not Montaigne. Oh my god.
Yeah, don't worry, guys. I'm just gonna die here.
You're dead.
Op 4 eliminated all friendlies.
Not at all.
Oh. Okay, Brent, follow me.
My line went up, but
Oh, cool, yeah, Webby Hayes. Haha, sick. Yeah, let's go, Webby Hayes, dude. Yeah, dude. Wicked. Oh, man, what is he doing beating that way? I walk this way, I walk that way, I walk all around the place.
15 seconds remaining.
Watch me walk around the place.
10 seconds left.
I'm very good, I swear to God. I'm gonna do it.
where's he shooting?
My name's Webby Hayes, and I'm super good. Really good at this game.
Oh my god.
Retard. Some people, they just play this game, and I swear to God, they have the IQ of a beaver. I'm about to blow a mirror. I didn't blow the mirror.
One op 4 remaining.
Hold on, wait, my
Oh, never mind, never mind.
Nope.
Dang, you almost got an ace. That's
Oh my god.
Wait, Thatcher, where are you at?
Brent,
Where are you at?
you spawned next to me, idiot.
Shush. There's a whole lot of like.
Homophobia is so whack, bro. How are you gonna be afraid of a home?
You're a fucking idiot.
I was at school Friday and a guy, I don't even know him, and he said, "Is it weird if you grab your dog's tits?"
Did you stab him immediately after?
I was thinking about it.
That's the only acceptable way to handle that. Oh my god, Sarah, go away. You farted and it stinks. You farted and it stinks. Don't look at me like that.
I injured somebody?
I injured somebody. Look.
We need to protect the
Don't tell
biohazard
me what to
container.
do. I tell you what to do.
Yay. Wait, what?
Ow.
That was a little sus.
I don't like Mute. I don't like him at all. Mute trash. Mute trash.
I'm transgender and I drive a Ford.
Oh, I'm dead. Cool. Behind us. Sick.
Oh, okay, I almost got raped by Havana.
And they caught my Twitch drone.
Hello, motherfucker.
5 seconds to insertion.
Spider got you.
Why are you barking? Why?
What?
What?
All friendlies have been neutralized.
The dude had 14 kills.
Oh my god.
Fix her box, please. I could see her goggles and that was it. She's the size of a semi-truck. Gotta be joking me, bro. Hey, did y'all guys ever
Hi,
get
look.
retard duty in elementary school where you had to play with the retards during like a PE or something?
No.
Millennials did that. Remember that? You
I-
did Starbucks
did
for
they?
playing with the retards. Yeah.
I did not want Starbucks that bad.
I did. Inside, I'd be there and I'd be watching. I'd be chilling, and then I'd be like, "Can I have my Starbucks?" And she'd give me 5 Starbucks, and then I'd dip.
Thank you.